Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. As usual, we will discuss the situation on the euro currency, start from the daily time frame, and current research will be not very extended, conversely to the previous weekly researches that we have done during the Mondays. Well, just to remind you, overall picture that we have discussed in our weekly research, our long-term perspective and our long-term expectation is the reaching of the 116 target on the monthly time frame, because this conclusion comes from the analysis of the quarterly chart of index of US dollar. Well, and currently market has reached on the monthly time frame solid area of support. This is 618 support from major 618 supports 130.39 and also 618 extension of larger ABC swing on the monthly time frame. So if you would like to know the details, I suggest you to visit our forum and read our weekly and monthly analysis. Well, and such fact tells us that at least the probability suggests of the normal price action that market very often should respect that such kind of solid support areas on high time frames by showing some solid retracement on the lower time frames, on the daily time frame. That's why during the previous couple of weeks all our attention was focused on tracking and monitoring of the appearing some reversal patterns on the daily time frame that could trigger the potential retracement. Still, current analysis shows that there is no such patterns has appeared yet on the market. Even more, there is some possibility exists that market will not respect that area at all. Many of the forum members asked on the forum that should we enter on the long side of the market currently, since market has achieved all our targets that we have discussed previously. It has achieved ABCD target on the monthly time frame. It has achieved, as I said, monthly agreement area, also some significant extensions on the daily time frame that we just will start to discuss. And does this moment let us to enter on the long side of the market right now without any confirmation and other some signs that could give us some confidence to do that? Well, the answer is no. The reaching of the significant targets is only the halfway to enter on the long side of the market. The second half of the puzzle is to get the confirmation, to get some reversal pattern that should form on the daily time frame, and to get the trend in our favor. And now we will try to estimate what a pattern could appear, what we have to monitor to track the price action to get this sufficient confidence and say that probably this retracement has happened, or the retracement has started, and we could enter on the long side of the market. So let's start from the daily time frame. Here we see that market has accomplished our 3-drive buy pattern. This was the first drive. The second drive stands at 1618 extension of the first drive, and the third drive stands at 1618 extension of the second. So that is 3-drive buy pattern. Also, you can see that this combines with some kind of the MACD divergence that is very common for that pattern. Although you can see that market has passed a bit lower on the daily time frame, this is not totally erased the possibility of the triggering of that pattern, and the pattern could still could work. This move to the downside maybe was due to hitting of some significant low on the weekly time frame that stands at 128.70 areas right here, and by triggering the stops that has been placed just below it. This lets the market to continue to proceed a bit lower and hitting that target and proceed even a bit further. But currently this pattern has not yet been miserably cancelled. This pattern still has some chances to work. Also, you can see that market has hit monthly pivot support 1 is 127.08. It's right here. Also, by the way, this is the weekly 1618 extension target that we also discussed in our weekly research. So theoretically, market stands at some solid support, and this continuation further to the downside was mostly by technical issue, by hitting of some stop orders, then some reasonable bearish scenario, some bearish core on the market that could lead some continuation to the downside. That tells us that since this technical issue has worked out, then probably market still has chances to show some reversal to the upside. But what particularly we have to track and monitor to say that probably this retracement has started, and we probably could start to search the possibility to enter on the long side of the market. Well, for me, I suppose that since you can see this solid parallel channel on the daily time frame, there are two issues should happen to give us such confidence to enter on the long side of the market, or at least to start to search the possibility of entering on the long side. The first one is the breakout of this parallel channel to the upside. The second one is to get daily trend in our favor. We should see that daily trend has turned bullish and market has shown some thrusting move to the upside on the daily time frame. I prefer to see some kind of, maybe this could be the head and shoulders reversal pattern right here. If market will show some breakout of this parallel channel, then will show retracement by the left shoulder to this upward border of this parallel channel from the other side, from the upside, and then continue move to the, then retracement could start. Also, it will be perfect if market will show thrusting move to the upside on daily time frame that will be a bit greater than the previous swing down. This also will add some more confidence that probably this retracement is start well. But currently on the daily time frame we do not see anything of that, such kind of price action. Since we do not have any some more patterns to watch for, more some solid extension patterns, ABCD patterns, or something below the current market, we do not have any reasons to wait a bit longer. So if market will break this area to the downside and continue move lower, then probably we should expect disrespect to that area and reaching of the next support on the monthly time frame is 125, 27, 786 support on the monthly time frame. So if market will start any retracement on the daily time frame, on the monthly time frame, it should start it somewhere from that area, from 127, 127.50 area. If it will not happen, then probably we should be prepared for the continuation move to the downside on the larger time frames. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that market also has accomplished some intraday targets. This is ABCD target from that pattern, A, B, C top, 127.30, it's right here. Also, this is 1618 extension from that swing to the upside, from that low to that high. 1618 extension stands right here. 4-hour time frame holds bearish. I do not have even the hourly time frame, since on the hourly time frame do not see any significant details and patterns that could lead us to think that probably market is ready to start retracement to the upside. So in fact we do not have any patterns. One thing that we should watch for is for that current level, and to watch for how market will behave around inside this parallel channel, and how the daily trend will develop in the nearest trading sessions. Our conclusion is that overall context is bearish. Still, since market still holds in the 127, 127.50 area, it still has some chances to start the retracement. If it will not happen currently, then probably market will continue move to the downside on the monthly time frame and will not respect that area, since the current fundamental situation in the Euro Union is really hard. Well, that's our view on the market. Another possibility that exists on the intraday chart is this thrust to the downside. That could be nice context for the potential bread and butter sell or double repo buy patterns, scalp trades, but this environment and this context has no determining value in our overall picture. This is just some possibility for trading on the intraday chart, but they are not determining, they are not change the overall core of our picture on the higher time frames. So that's our current view on the situation. One thing that we still could do is just track the price action around 127, 127.50. If we'll see some thrusting move to the upside, well, probably this retracement will start. If not, if market will proceed lower, well, in this case we could say that maybe there will not be any retracement at all to the upside. That's all for today. Wait for the clear patterns. Do not be hasty in enter on the counter trend trades, since they need some significant confirmation, significant confidence to do that. Only when we see some significant patterns we could do that. Before this will happen, hold bearish positions, well, and you may try to make any trades on intraday charts, but on daily time frame and high time frames, it's better to not take any long positions currently. It's better to wait a bit.